Hi there, welcome to the Alpha Dad Garage. See, it's really messy here. Hadn't actually planned starting to make videos yet. But my truck broke. There's no reason to have a truck sitting on the street with a popped radiator when I've got a new aluminum radiator, some electric fans sitting right over there, just waiting to be put on. So we're gonna get started a little bit early. Here's our parts for the day. I'm going to start off with the Champion eBay Special all aluminum radiator. It had pretty good reviews and it looks good to me. It's got nice welding. It's not the best, but it's pretty good. As long as it holds pressure, I think we'll be happy. Here's a quick part number for that if it turns out to be a good one. Then we've got dual electric fans from a 2008 Tahoe Hybrid. It's a little bit different than the regular ones. It's got these big holes right here for some kind of sensor. I don't know what it is. Can't figure it out, so it must not be of any use to me. If we get time, we'll fill those holes up, try to make it look nice. Maybe take off this big chunk that sticks out, make more room for activities down the line. But it's all if we get time. And then to make it all work together with our O2 Silverado, we've got the Nelson Performance one-wire trunk fan harness. Let's pull in the truck. So here's the Alpha Dad Garage's future race truck. It's a 2002 Chevy Silverado. It's a 5.3. It's got an HD hood. It looks absolutely horrible now because I can't paint and I shouldn't try. But believe it or not, it looks better than it did when I got it. The rest of the paint in the body, it's not straight, but it's shiny enough. I think it'll be fun. Kind of like LT Tolman's ugly truck. So far, I've done the headliner, took out the atrocious center console. I think the last guy put it in with a butter knife instead of going out and buying the right parts. I bought the truck right before the shutdown of 2020 to be my race truck, but then when the shutdown happened, all that got put on hold. So this 4L80 that I bought for it, this LY6-ish motor that I bought for it, DJM arms, and somewhere over there there's a notch kit and an axle flip kit. All that stuff's just been sitting. What happened was I got used to driving it as my daily, and my daughter got used to sitting in there driving with me too. And then we moved to the desert where it gets hot as balls. That's why I'm so sweaty. And my wife wouldn't let me drive with my daughter without having air conditioning. So I had to put the air conditioning in. And that kind of sort of worked. But what ended up happening is the condenser and then the extra draw from the compressor added too much and finally popped my radiator. Good news is I knew the radiator was going to pop, so I bought that fancy radiator over there like a year ago. I just didn't want to put it in until we had the fun parts. I think a lot of this is going to be pretty simple for most of you, so probably just time lapse or breeze through it, and then I'll stop and explain the stuff that's interesting. Now I'm going to try something I actually just saw on YouTube yesterday. I'm trying to get this old clutch van off. If I can't get it off, and I don't want to go buy the tool or rent the tool or anything, I'm just going to take the pump off of the 6-liter over there. It should be exactly the same. I mean, it's probably in better condition, but I just want to see if this works. It didn't work the way it worked in the other guy's video. But since I don't actually need this pump, I have a backup. I'm going to try and lock the pump pulley with this with these vice grips, and maybe that'll help. It didn't work. We're gonna try this again. I got the belt off. And get a better grip with the vice grips. Well, this sucks. I didn't think this was going to be the hard part of the video. Okay. I think I got it this time. I got the vice grips on there real tight. It was loud, but I think we got it. Yep. That's going in the trash pile. Okay, we got a big old hole here. So I think it's time to see if that big old radiator is gonna fit in that big old hole. Seems to fit pretty well. All the mounting points seem to line up pretty good. So far, I don't think we got ripped off by eBay. running pretty smooth. The only problem I see right now is the clamp for the lower radiator hose seems to be hitting. So I think if I take it out and I rotate that, maybe it will be better. I got it. Okay, so all the mechanical's done. It was actually way easier than I thought it was going to be. I don't know why I expected it to be difficult. I guess because now I don't understand why everyone doesn't put electric fans. Maybe it's the electrical part, which we're going to do next. But either way, it's really cool how much room there is. I don't know if it's all these dual electric fan setups or if it's just this hybrid one, but down the line when it's time for turbo fun, we'll have to chop this piece off and then we'll have that much more room. Other than that, I'm pretty happy with this.